Detailed weather forecast can be accurately up to 2 days. Polarized glass is used in sunglass because it reduces the light intensity to half on account of polarization. Athlete's foot is caused by a fungus. The branch of biology that deals with cell structure is called cytology. Sweat glands occur in greatest number in the skin of the palm of the hand. Charmed particle referred to an exotic nuclear particle. Compton effect is associated to X-rays. The lungs are two thin-walled elastic sacs lying in the thorax. Ampere hour is a unit of quantity of electricity. A patient of scurvy has problems of bleeding gums, anemia, and debility. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. The complex regulatory system that controls and regulates body temperature in the human body is located in the brain. Evaporation causes coolness. The blood has been divided into 4 major groups. If two unlike blood groups are mixed, the blood gets clumped. Cuckoo is a blood parasite. The longest living animal is tortoise. Whale has descended from ancestors that lived on the seabed. Who invented telescope? Galileo. How many sets of teeth a human grows? 2. Which planet of the solar system has the shortest year? Mercury. Will the sun of our solar system ever cool down? Yes, in the billion of years from now. Gypsum is a non-metallic mineral. A good quantity of gypsum is used in the manufacturing of fertilizers. Samuel Hahnemann was the father of homeopathy. The color of light that travels with minimum speed through glass is violet. The amplification factor of a triode depends on plate resistance. The humerus and scapula form ball and socket joint. Euglena reproduces by binary fission. A thermos bottle keeps a liquid hot because heat loses by convection and radiation are largely prevented. The trachea opens into the pharynx. The photoelectric effect proves that light is in the form of quanta. Essential parts of a television receiver are a cathode ray tube. The small structure growing on the roofs of a legume are called nodules. Insulin was discovered by F. G. Banting. Diamond is the purest crystalline form of carbon. The art of photographing a moving object and then projecting it on the screen in a series of pictures in a quick succession giving an appearance of movement of the object is cinematography. Bamboo is a grass. Anemia is a body condition when there is a marked reduction of red blood cells in the blood. Moon has a diameter of 3456 km. Antibody is a substance that has specific capacity of neutralizing a toxin. Epidemic is a disease that breaks out over an extensive area in an infectious manner. Acoustics is the science that everything to do with sound. Taxidermy is the art of preserving the animal skin. The force that pulls a thing outward while rotating is called centrifugal force. A man carries a bucket of water in his left hand leans towards his right hand. Total internal reflection occurs when a light passes from a denser to a rare medium. Decibel is a measure of sound level. As the density of a liquid increases, the height at which it stands in a barometer tube decreases. The energy generation in stars is due to fusion of light nuclei.